it's Vivian, and welcome to my backyard. I wanted to show you my beautiful garden that I set up every single summer. Come here. So, I love my patio, and I'm sure you do too if you have one, and I like my neighbors, but not all the time do I want to hear them or see them, and I certainly don't want them to see me. So I have some great ideas to share with you to create privacy in your backyard. Here I am in another part of my yard, and you'll notice in the background that I have a fence, and that is awesome for keeping the deer out so I can actually have flowers, but it's also a great way to keep watching eyes out, especially when you pair it with lots of bushes and trees and keeps the privacy in. My friends, Matt and Larry, have the most creative, fun ideas for privacy, and I just had to show them to you. So maybe it'll spur some ideas for your garden. Here's a great creative example of a trellis, not made out of usual material. They've used wagon wheels. Isn't that cool? And they've let the plant come up and it separates their yard from their patio. Trellises can be made out of just about anything, as we saw, wagon wheels or wood, or in this case, metal. And the idea is to let the plant take over, and this will all fill in as the summer progresses. And in the fall, it turns the most beautiful red and orange. This is ornamental hops. But the idea is to create privacy by using the plants. Here's another use for trellis. They have actually put this about 2 feet from their window so that they don't have to close the drapes all the time, but it still creates a wall of privacy from the outside world. This happens to be Dutchman's pipe, again on a metal trellis. So I want to show you this because it's really creative. Privacy doesn't have to just be made out of wood and bushes and that sort of thing. Look at this, wine bottles. What could you think of that would be really cool in your yard and different? This is their front yard, and it faces the street. In order to protect their privacy against passing drivers looking in, they've created this beautiful area encased by the fencing. They also have this really cool little sitting area over here. Privacy means peace of mind, and you should be comfortable in your own backyard. Hopefully the tips I shared with you today will help spur your creativity so you can build that special space where you're comfortable and relaxed at the end of a day. Join me next time when I have some more tips for you.